Hello guys, so welcome back on this day 3 already. Today we'll be talking about AI agents again. We'll be building my own AI agents to solve my problem with the search. So the first thing I show you yesterday, so this one, so the search system where you give him like the bar, the restaurant, the activity, what you want to do, and his goal is to answer you with his knowledge and to answer in JSON. So that's what I've done. I've just put a bit of things already. So what's my trouble and how can I fix it? So I want to use AWS Bedrock for now because I think it's the easiest way to build AI agents. I don't know if it's the most cost effective way, but it's the most easy to use and to set up. So for now I'll be using this. I started with this first thing, so creating a simple AI with some instruction here to give about an idea about how the AI will respond. So here, for example, I give no, not here, here. So I give him some instruction. So the fact that he's a local expert, that knows the best spots. I want him to answer in JSON. I want him to give him 100 places. I also want him to not invent anything. And that's it for now. So with this, he can already answer me, but he's not very good. Give me this around Puebla, Mexico. That's where am I right now. So here, he will answer me in JSON. Okay, perfect. So he's giving me all the things in JSON with the good thing I asked for. But he's hallucinating a lot. I don't know with this one. We can check. Okay, he didn't hallucinate. So that's good. But usually he can hallucinate a lot because I asked for pubs in Puebla, Mexico, and he doesn't really know pubs. You know, more bars and the location are not good and everything. So next steps are so create better prompt. So that's already what I've done, putting a bit of information like who am I, what I want. So that will be directly coming from the application and will be inside of the prompt. So for now, I think it's the best solution. Next is understanding how knowledge work. And that's what I was doing right now. So here we are in the documentation of AWS Bedrock. So I saw that you have multiple ways of doing it, either by providing directly a vector database, or there is Neptune that can be used. But for my own use, and for now it's just test, I saw there is an option that is called chat with your document, and that doesn't require any knowledge base to be configured. So I'll be starting with this by putting some restaurants, some activities, anything, and to see how much it can hallucinate. Based on that, I'll be able to feed the AI with more knowledge. So for now, I don't know if it will be database of things that already exist and that I have in S3 or inside Aurora, I don't know. But there is maybe other solution that can be easier, maybe by triggering each time someone asking for something with an area. So if we take Puebla, 5 kilometers, maybe I can do like a call to TripAdvisor and Google Map, or just Google Map, get all the things that he have and feed it into an S3, and that S3 is converting to a vectorial that is my knowledge bases. So that's the idea. I don't know what's the best, what can be done. So I'll be just starting by what I told you about, this chat video document, and on the rest will be continuing with more knowledge and more database. So thank you for listening so far. I will keep in touch with you when I have more to say and more information. So thank you, and see you very soon. Hello again. So here we are for a quick update on this day 3. So I work a lot with AI agents, with the RAG, and I came to the conclusion where RAG is good, but it's not what I need, because models are already giving me the best answer possible. If, for example, I'm asking ChatGPT for the best place to go activities, he will give me a detailed list with things that even with RAG on Wikipedia or things, I will still be missing a lot of sources. And ChatGPT is still very good on giving this, even if it's not using data on RAG. So for me, I think I will just have to use ChatGPT on or like a model LLM on what I need to do, give back those answers to my search. So everything will be based on just one prompt with the user preference, and with that said, I'll be able to have the best thing. But it was very good, and I discovered this tool, LangChain, that can really leverage the use of AI by adding RAG first, but not just RAG. It's also by adding multi-agents, so you can search things with DuckDuckGo, for example, DuckDuckGo or Google, and really make the use of AI with other tools, so database, DuckDuckGo with Python. So it's very cool. It's very quick to use. So I can show you an example here on my Visual Studio Code. Here I have some little of code. So here, for example, for the ingestion, here it's quite easy to load data with LangChain. There is already a library with, for example, Pinecone, that is a vector stored database in a cloud. So that's very good. And there is already loader for text for PDF included in the library. And more likely, you have here, you can load on Pinecone from documents, from text. And here, for example, if I go to my bot, here you just have to import. You can use any model you want. So for example, I use Mistral AI, and on this one, I can use my my RAG on my on Pincode, on Pincode vector. So it gets this vector database with my with a name, and he use it to process with the model. So it's very good. And I tried some other things that were also very good. So Tavily was some research like DuckDuckGo or Google, but more precise and more with way better result, which I think, but the prices are too catastrophic. It's too expensive for this. But there is very good tool. DuckDuckGo, for example, is free to use. You don't need an API key, so good point for it. And you get a result like you want in a list, in everything. So that's really cool, and you can mix them together with the help of LangChain. So yeah, I will make a little tutorial of how to use LangChain later.